How to choose your preferred network type using your SIM card mobile data on your Xiaomi phone with Android 13. Let's get started. The fastest way to these settings is by using the quick panel access, and when you see the mobile data toggle right here, go ahead and long press that toggle. That's going to take you here to the SIM cards and mobile networks section here. Tap on the SIM card that you want to change your mobile data for, the preference itself. Just tap on it. So I have one here. While it's not really working, it's where you would go to change it. So in this section here, you'll see mobile network, then you'll see preferred network type. And once you reach here, this is going to allow you to choose the preferred network type. So if your SIM card does have 5G access, but you're in an area that's only using LTE, perhaps you want to switch it over to just LTE for the time being. That's going to save you some battery life. And then when you are in that area with 5G, you can come back and switch that if you need to, okay? But that's where you would go to change your preferred network type on your Xiaomi phone. Like and sub.